弄这边。弄在我这边呢。然后发了我照。OK， 现在。and 讲一些话。You see, this car is moving and moving on this stage, but it has some pigs and birds on it. When we get out, we have this and this. Then I will show you how to be stuck and I was putting it like this, now it's stuck. When I do it slowly, it's stuck. Oops. Let me try. Here we go. Here. It's stuck in the mud. See this part? This maybe doesn't let the car go slowly. The only thing is go fast. And under the couch, it's not bigger than under the couch. See, I'll make the car on the other side. I got it, then I was like this. Wait, this. Then I failed on this, but I tried it here. Then I go, then I'm stuck here. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. I'm stuck. Hey. If you move these two, it won't work. You have to put it here again. Then it's stuck again. I guess I need to run it. I'll put it here. How about this? Wait, I think I was here, then I landed here. Was not like this, or this. When I was doing this. Oh, I gotta try that. What I did before. Oh yeah, I landed here. I was like, so good. Wait, I need to do that again because, folks, you guys haven't seen I do it. Well, now it's down. Oh, it's stuck. Now here. Oh yeah, I landed like that. Like that. There's some like stickers, things get the colors off with water. Then I try to get this part, which you can't see me pointing to this part, that it's like tickle me here. And I washed the windows and the front windows, the windows. I washed the tires even too. See? Oh. See? If you do this, I think I saw it will move. Oh yeah, it would. See? The tires move. There we go. The tires move without me doing the controllers. I can just move it here. If I do it here, it's straight. The back tire only moves. The front can't. The back moves the front. Oh, let me yesterday I was doing a video with my brother, but it's not so long. Then today I did it on December. I don't know what numbers today. December 8th. Yesterday was 7th. Then it's 8th. Then I did this video because I built that thing. Then I built the outside part last. First, second, third. The box, I did it first. The outside of right of the box is second, and the box of the back left corner is the last. Okay, let me show you. See? See, this part was first, second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then sixth. These papers were six. Okay, then seventh. Right here. Then eighth. Then 9, then 10, then wait, this is the 9th. This actually was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then the final place, 19, this whole big chair. You need to cross this side. It's the side that you need to cross to finish this. Okay? Now I built a weapon plate, but I can't use these things to build the course. I didn't use those things. When I started this video, I tried how fast can it be on the carpet. Then the fast place is, I forgot what it's called, but it is going to be very fast at that. Then Then I used these Legos to build it too. And these, I used the Angry Bird blocks, Star Wars blocks. Then this was the box I buy that Books A Million at 1999. You can see here was inside. This was in this. See, my hand is pointing. Was inside this whole box. I didn't know. I mean, I did know, but I put this. I got this out. Then I used this box. Then I used this. Wait, let me show you. First, this was in that box. Second, I put the blocks in. Then third, I make a course with these blocks. Hey, did I turn it on? Oh yeah, I forgot. This whole time, I forgot to turn out the batteries. I think, is it out of batteries yet? I don't know. Because if it's out of batteries, then at least there's a lot of batteries left. That kind of batteries left. Then I didn't know what's this number. Wait, I know 40MHZ. Then one time I went to GT3RS.com. Then I found cars. Like I saw Lamborghini, those cars so fast. Yesterday, I was with my brother, and his little car was stuck, and here, and here. Then we need